Did you know your gut and brain are constantly chatting with each other? It's like they're best friends who never stop texting. This fascinating connection, called the gut-brain axis, is powered by trillions of microbes living in your intestines. These tiny organisms aren't just passengers, they're active messengers, shaping how you think, feel, and even age. The microbial city. Think of your gut as a bustling metropolis. Each microbe is like a citizen with a specific job. Some build, some clean, some protect. Together they form a sophisticated orchestra, producing special compounds called short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs. Now, SCFAs like acetate, propionate, and butyrate aren't just waste products. They're like protective shields for your brain cells. A 2025 review in the Journal of Neuroinflammation described how SCFAs directly influence microglia, the brain's immune cells, helping regulate inflammation and keeping neurons healthy. Without these signals, microglia can become overactive, damaging brain tissue instead of protecting it. Mood, memory, and neuroplasticity. Here's where it gets really exciting. Your gut microbes can influence neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to rewire and adapt. Certain probiotics boost levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which acts like fertilizer for neurons. More BDNF means stronger connections, better learning, and sharper memory. In fact, a 2023 General Psychiatry review showed that SCFAs may reduce depressive symptoms by lowering inflammation and improving neurotransmitter balance. Imagine your gut microbes as tiny DJs, remixing the chemical playlist that sets your mood. The immune system translator. But the gut and brain don't just talk directly. They use the immune system as a translator. When your gut microbes fall out of balance, they can trigger the release of inflammatory cytokines, chemical messengers that spread inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation doesn't just cause digestive issues, it's been linked to depression, anxiety, and even neurodegenerative diseases. A 2023 JAMA psychiatry study found shared genetic pathways between gut disorders and psychiatric conditions, suggesting that what happens in the gut can echo in the brain at a genetic level. It's like discovering two different languages actually came from the same ancient root. Epigenetics and aging. Here's the mind-blowing part. Gut microbes can influence epigenetic modulation, the way your genes are switched on or off without changing your DNA. These microbial metabolites act like tiny light switches, controlling how your body responds to stress, how memories are formed, and even how fast you age. Some studies suggest that by shaping epigenetic patterns, gut microbes may influence neurodegenerative risk, conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. In other words, your gut may be quietly writing the script for your brain's future. Diet as the control panel. So how do we support this incredible partnership? The answer is surprisingly simple: diet. Fiber. Think of fiber as the favorite food of your beneficial bacteria. When they digest it, they produce SCFAs that calm inflammation and protect neurons. Fermented foods, yogurt, kimchi, kefir, kombucha. These deliver live probiotics directly to your gut. Plant-forward eating. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, and teas are rich in polyphenols, which act like premium fuel for your microbes. Limit ultra-processed foods. Diets high in sugar and additives can reduce microbial diversity, weakening the gut-brain connection. A 2025 Frontiers in Microbiology review emphasized that lifestyle factors, diet, sleep, stress, can reshape the microbiome within weeks, altering the chemical messages sent to the brain. That means the choices you make today can literally reprogram your gut-brain dialogue tomorrow. Conclusion: the gut-brain connection isn't a wellness fad, it's solid science. Your microbes are like unseen roommates, shaping your mood, memory, and long-term brain health. By feeding them well, you're not just improving digestion, you're investing in mental clarity, emotional balance, and resilience against aging. So here's the challenge. Add just one gut-friendly food to your daily routine. Maybe it's oats at breakfast, a spoonful of kimchi at lunch, or a handful of berries for a snack. Small steps can create big shifts in the way your gut and brain communicate. Remember, every time you eat, you're not just feeding yourself. You're feeding trillions of tiny allies who help keep your brain happy and healthy. And that, to me, is one of the most empowering discoveries in modern science.